Daddy cropped the land. It was pretty hard at times, but Mama gave my dad a hand. Yeah, we had no real fears, living on the land, running in a field of dreams, breathing in fresh air and kissing my first cowboy. Oh yeah, oh I love the country way. Oh I love rolling around in the hay. I'm a farm girl, a cowgirl, a living life for all it's worth, girl. Oh yeah, I just love the country way all day, the way it's gotta say. I'm a simple girl, just wanna ride my horse, pat some lambs and kick the dog, watch the sun rise and set, and maybe sip a beer or 10. Oh, and I love making hot bread on a Sunday morning. Oh, I love the country way. Oh, I love rolling around in the hay. I'm a farm girl, a cowgirl, a living life for all it's worth, girl. Oh yeah, I just love the country way all day. It's the way it's gotta stay. With every beat of my heart I wanted to last, but I grew up quick and moved on so fast. Went to the city and got me real smart. When I look back now, should've followed my heart. Yeah. My folks are old now, and the farm is long gone. Daddy looks at me, he says, "Girl, why did you move back out here? Why don't you move back to the city?" Yeah, maybe. Nah, I ain't doing that. That's for them city girls. Ha! I'm a cowgirl. Oh, I love the country way. Oh, I love rolling around in the hay. I'm a farm girl, a cowgirl, a living life for all it's worth, girl. Oh yeah, I just love the country way all day, and it's the way it's gotta stay. All day, farming along the way, riding my horse, jumping some hay. Oh yeah, baby, I just love the country way all day long. Oh yeah, I just love the country all day. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, I just love the country all day.